You're welcome. We have done addition and subtraction of fractions. Now I want to do multiplication of fractions. We will multiply whole number by fractions and we will multiply fractions by fractions. So let us first do multiplication of whole numbers by fraction first. Multiplication of whole numbers by fractions. Examples: 9 times 1 over 2. Number 2. And say 5 times 2 over 10. Now I want to do this. This is a whole number. This one is also a whole number. This one is a fraction. This one is a fraction. Now let's do the first one. 9 times 1 over 2. If you want to do it, you can say that, okay, this one doesn't have any fraction. As it doesn't have any fraction, you can decide to just write it like this. Put 1 under it. Do you know that this one that I put under it is just there? It doesn't change the value of 9. That is why I use only 1. It is only 1 you can put there. You cannot put any other number you put there will change the value of 9. But if you put 1, that is 9 divided by 1, it will still give me back my 9. That is why you can only put 1. And this one is already a fraction. So like this now, this one is having numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator. That's our A. So we now say that 9 times 1, we are multiplying the numerators together and the denominators also together. 9 times 1, 9. 1 times 2, 2. How many 2 will I see in 9? That means if I divide 2 divided by 9, it will give me 4. It will remain 1 over 2. We've done this when we were converting improper fraction to this number. The second one, 5 times 2 over 10. We can do it the same way. 5 over 1 times 2 over 10 is equal to 5 times 2 over 1 times 10, which is equal to 10 over 10. And answer is 1. Can you see that it's simple? Okay, we've done this now. Let's go to fraction by fraction. But there's one thing I want you to know. Even if it is fraction by fraction, it is also like this. You can see that we've turned this one also to a fraction. It is also like that. Now let me use a fraction by fraction. Multiplication of fractions by fractions. Let me put some examples that we're going to do. Number 1. 5 over 6 times 3 over 8. Number 2. 3 over 5 of 2 over 3. Number 3. 6 over 7 of 5 whole number 1 over 4. Number 4. 3 whole number 3 over 4 times 4 over 9 times 1 whole number 1 over 5. We want to solve all this. Now let's go forward. Let's start. Let us start. Number 1. 5 over 6 times 3 over 8. We've done something like this. So you just multiply the numerators together and you multiply the denominators together. Even if it is 3 fractions that you want to multiply together, just do it like that. So we now have the numerators as 5 times 3 over 6 times 8. If you see something, maybe one number is odd that can divide another number down, you can divide it. I usually like it when you divide it, instead of you multiplying it, making the number to be bigger, you're not trying to divide it later. So like now, look, 5, is there any number that 5 can divide? No. 3, is there a number that 3 can divide? Yes, 3 here, 1, 3 here, 2. I think I like it like that. So up here now, I now have 5 times 1. Alright, 5 times 1. And now I have 2 times 8. 2 times 8. So 5 times 1 is 5, 2 times 8 is 16. This is a proper fraction, so we are going to leave it like this. Example 2, we do it. 3 over 5 of 2 over 3. Of means times. So 3 over 5 times 2 over 3. We are going to do it the same way. Multiply the numerators together and multiply the denominators together. 3 times 2 over 5 times 3. Before you multiply, check. Is there anything that can divide? Is there any number that is up that can cut the one down or the one down? So 3 here, 1, 3 here, 1. What I have remaining up is 1 times 2 over 5 times 1, which is 2 over 5. That's our answer. It's also a proper fraction. So we are leaving it in that. Now let's go to the third one. 6 over 7 of 5 whole number 1 over 4. We know of means times multiplication in mathematics. So 6 over 7 times 5 whole number 1 over 4. Look at one step at a time. The first thing we are doing in this list is first to change the of to multiplication sign. So now our second step, you can decide to write your own down like this. 6 over 7 times, my second step is that I want to change the mixed number to improper fraction. 5 times 4, 20 plus 1, 21. We've done this. You can check our previous videos. We see it there. That means changing improper fraction to mixed number or changing mixed numbers to improper fraction. So this is 21 over 4. When you don't have it like this, you know what we're going to do. We multiply the numerators, we multiply the denominators. 6 times 21 over 7 times 4. When I told you that I like it, before you multiply together, if you see any number, maybe the number is up, it can divide the one down. Try to do it. It will help you. Instead of you multiplying 6 times 21 to give you a big number, you 7 times 8, 4, to give you a big number, you're not trying to divide. So now, like up and down, is there any number that is down that can divide up? Yes. 7 here, 1, 7 here, 3. What I have left is 6 times 3 over 1 times 4. 4 and 6, there's still a number that can divide both of them. Our aim at this stage is to make the number, to break the number down, even to their lowest, before we later multiply. So 2 can go in 6 to give us 3, 2 will go in 4 to give us 2. So our answer is 3 times 3 over 1 times 2. At this stage, I do not see any number that can divide, maybe the one that is, and the numerator can divide the denominator. No. So you are going to now say 3 times 3 is 9 over 2. 9 over 2. In this case, we are having improper fraction. So whenever we are having improper fraction, we change it to mixed number. So how many 2 am I going to say inside 9? 4. Remainder 1 over 2. This is our final answer. And number 4. Don't mind the way it looks. It is as simple as all this. Times 4 over 9 times 1 over 1 over 5. What do we do? We change it to improper fraction. If you don't get this very well, go back and watch the video on changing improper fraction to fraction to mixed number or mixed number to improper fraction. You will save there so that you can understand it. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 3 15 over 4 times, this one is already standing as a common fraction for us. 5 times 1, 5 plus 1, 6 over 5. Now, what we do is that we multiply all the numerators together. So we have 15 times 4 times 6 over 4 times 9 times 5. At this stage, we don't multiply, I told us, yes. So look for what is up. I can divide now. 4 here, 1, 4 here, 1. You can decide to write it. You know that it will be confusing to you. You can do it step by step. 1 times 9 times 5. When you get it, there will still be some numbers of like 5. 5 can divide 5. But is there any number of that 5? Yes, 5 can go inside 15. 5 here 1, 5 here 3. So what I have left is 3 times 1 times 6 over 1 times 9 times 1. Is that, I can still see number. 9 is here. 3 can still go inside 9. 3 here 1, 3 here 3. What I have left is 1 times 1 times 6 over 1 times 3 times 1. As I have here, 3 here, 3 can still go with 6, so I will still divide it. 3 here 1, 3 here 2. So what I have left is 1 times 1 times 2 over 1 times 1 times 1. 1 times 1 times 2 is 2 over 1. If I divide it, my answer is 2. Can you see? Simple as that. Yes, you are smiling. I'm also smiling. Good luck.